In this lesson, we will talk more about Likert-scale instruments. We will learn what is Likert-scale instrument, where to find the suitable instruments, why do we need to use measurement instruments from previous studies, and how to use them in the data analysis. First, what is Likert-scale instrument? The Likert-scale is a 5 or 7 point scale, which is used to allow the individual to express how much they agree or disagree with a particular statement. It's usually used to measure people's attitudes or perceptions. The format of a typical 5-level Likert item is ranging from 1 to 5 or 7. And these numbers indicate strongly disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree respectively. And you can use 7-level Likert item in a similar manner. Likert scales can also measure other variations in terms of frequency, importance, and likelihood, etc. So this type of measurements is widely used in social science. Here is an example. In our study about news sharing in social media, we have an independent variable named status seeking. And through these statements, we try to measure to which degree the user intends to seek status by sharing news in social media. Here, 1 to 5 indicate strongly disagree to strongly agree, respectively. To give you a clear picture, I'll show you a complete questionnaire.